Hello, so I've just done my morning workout, just done my arms today, and yeah, had breakfast, coffee, my protein shake, just about to jump in the shower, and I'm going to go for a walk around Wimbledon Common. I might not jog today, my ankles are still hurting. Once I come back from my walk, I'll do some work, pack line. Here we are, just one more day, another day, but just an update. So still no nicotine. What is this, day 4? Still no Guinness. So that's kind of the main thing, and structure this week was the main stuff that I kind of really wanted to get going, and just trying to get in a routine of filming this and getting used to it, you know. So I'm achieving my goals, which is good. Portuguese has slipped a bit, but I really think that app is not the greatest. I keep learning phrases, and I say them to my girlfriend, and she doesn't even know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm looking for a teacher. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll have one, just someone online I can just learn with. All right, I'll probably chat to you a bit later. cat. Oh, you look lovely. You're like drowned rats. Yep. It's our umbrella from earlier. Oh, we forgot it. Perfect. I don't think your umbrella's working, Cat.
Forever.
We're going to keep it locked up forever. That's how you use it. Just roll it on you. Yeah, it just keeps gushing out.
Okay, next time then.
Yeah, it just keeps gushing out.